Got Disick's son, his brand new G80, going with some tires, suspension, going with the tune.
Tune are you guys doing to the car?
We're gonna do a JB4 tune on it because they don't want to void the warranty just yet.
This thing's bulletproof.
What?
The car.
Really?
Yeah, you didn't know?
Yeah.
It's bulletproof.
Someone hit it with the bat.
Someone hit the Cybertruck with the bat?
This one, but like they did like a testing.
Oh, okay.
And it cracked.
Could a Cybertruck take a lot of cars?
They're fast. Yeah, off a dig, they're fast. And then we have some brand new wheels in here as well. BBS, LMs.
How much do you think these wheels like go for?
These go for roughly around 10 to 11,000. They're like the designer brand of wheels. And then we do already have the tires here. Make sure that we're here on time. We're going with Cup 2s. This car should be fitted perfect, especially with the adjustable coilovers that we're gonna be doing. Gotta make sure it comes out perfect. The wrap is officially done on Garik's new E60 M5, and the reason I say new is because here is his old one right here. I had a lot of issues. I talked to Garik and I told him, look bro, the amount of money that's gonna take to fully repair this car is probably gonna exceed the cost of a new car in a good condition. So luckily he was able to find this car that's in great condition. All the parts that we had already installed on this one, such as the intakes, the headers, the exhaust, we're gonna go ahead and remove it and install it on this one. We're also going with some wheels, suspension, all the carbon that he previously had already.
That fool knows how to make me catfish. Oh, fool, I want to bone you, dick.
We have mean filtros.
Fool, I look bomb, bro. Serio, your eyes look all juicy, look.
Damn, that fool slim my face where I look that skin.
Damn, fool, you look at least 150 right now. Real light, little Tucson. So right here we have 2024 BMW G80 M3. Prior to it being here, we did a tear down. The appraiser came out, looked at the vehicle, so that's why it's in pieces right now. There's part of the quarter panel that is gone. We call that here in the collision world, do a little window, so that way the appraiser, the insurance, could actually see the extent of the damage. As you guys can see, this is what's called the inner wheelhouse. It's completely destroyed, so that's the reason, right? So you can't kind of justify that it's damaged unless they physically see it. There's more damage to obviously the door. This door's getting replaced, that door's getting replaced, the fender's getting replaced, the front bumper's getting replaced, rear bumper getting replaced, the roof rail obviously, as you guys can see, has some damage as well from the accident, but that's gonna be getting replaced with the quarter, exhaust, suspension, all four wheels. Pretty much there's a lot of damage on this vehicle, but luckily he brought it to the right place. So we're gonna go ahead and bring this car back to pre-existing conditions.
How is something like this not just totaled?
Initially, the customer didn't want to total it, right? He didn't want to total it. So he's like, yo, please fix it for me for whatever reason. Some people have that sentimental value on their cars. I don't know what it was. The car, it honestly just looks really bad.
Right.
But then it holds its value. Like, it's a brand new car.
Right.
It's an $80,000 to $90,000 car. It's really hard for the insurance to just be like, okay, yeah, I'm gonna total it, because it doesn't benefit them, you know?
Right.
So this estimate is actually around like $60,000. The car being worth 100 grand versus the estimate being 60 to bring it back to life, and they just rather pay 60 than to pay 100 plus all types of other fees. A lot of you guys will be like, oh, well, why is it so much to repair? It's a brand new car, so you want to bring it back to pre-existing condition, meaning all OEM parts. The insurance will try to give us used parts, but however, we will fight for you guys to get how your car was. You know, it's a 2024. It's not old at all. It's not even a year old. We do fight for all OEM parts and just for everything to come back to pre-existing condition, which that will pretty much mean that any little thing that we see that it's not how it was prior to the accident, we will fight for it. So that's why the estimate is up so high. We follow the guidelines from BMW itself. So if they say you need to replace this, then we ask the insurance for it. And at the end of the day, they owe it to you, so you do pay for your premium.
Got Disick, 285, 30, 20.
How much do you think these set of tires cost?
You're talking about for the rear around 1,036, and then for the front another 980. So you're talking about like $2,000 on tires. They're track tires though, great tires.
We're about to have a PQ tournament, mini basketball tournament, 2v2s. Winner takes all. $20 buy-in per player.
Hey, I get ball, bro.
Jump on.
Look, do it. I'm not even gonna jump. I'm gonna give you that.
Go.
Just reach.
Go.
Hey,
Don't because he's the owner of your full son.
I'm not.
Me too.
You gotta learn what to do.
Al grano, cabrón!
Three.
Up to three. Touch ball.
Redo. I can't jump. That's a lie. Hey, look.
Hey, you jump!
Hey, that's not a crib.
Damn right, that's not on me.
Hey, that's scary.
Go.
Let's go.
Get that, let's go.
Oh, you're not calling shit.
Hey, technical!
Can't talk to refs like that.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go competition or what? Game.
No, what? Wow. 2-2, 2-2.
Loser gets naked.
Oh, wow.
Too easy, fool.
I want it.
Hey, get out, fool. Don't be touching me.
My little bro against me, dog.
Pitch ball. Pitch ball. Hey.
Hey, why are you coming on my side, bro?
You gotta fight for it.
2-0. Take it.
Sit there, little bro.
Repair this one, we don't touch this pocket light, we repair this one, this one I give you a couple hours.
Fraser came, we had to do a full teardown for him, pretty much assess the damages. He sends us an estimate right back. We go based off the estimate he gives us. If everything checks out, then we proceed with the repairs. However, if it doesn't, then we just call a supplement.
What is a new supplement?
It's like they give us an estimate saying, okay, this is what I think it takes to repair the car. And if we say, no, it's not, we need this, or whatever, then you create another estimate and you send it to them.
What the
Because
heck?
it's like, you don't agree to like whatever the insurance is trying to pay you.
Baby, you cheated.
That's how they start the day? The dice game?
These are tricks, fool. Houses are nothing but high fucking numbers, bro.
7, 8, 7, 6 and a 2. There you go. Snake eyes.
Oh, that's true. You beat me twice. I quit.
Hey, don't let him snatch you, fool.
Who's the feria?
It's okay. When I rap Kevin's car, I'm like, okay.
Oh! You got this.
Pretty sick. Okay, I like gambling. The new quarter panel is actually put on the car. So next step is actually going to be for us to pretty much drill the holes so we could have the spot so we could weld. We needed the quarter extension / floor extension, so we couldn't weld anything until that part did come. So that way everything is put on perfectly and nothing is like not sat properly. So this is one of them. On the other one, we have this one, which is a G80, and this one's pretty much 80% done. It has some new quarter panel as well. The next step on this one pretty much would be finish the bundle, add the primer, and off to paint it goes.
This right here is why we charge disposal fees. Because now we have all these exhausts that we have no idea what to do with. Or if you want to buy them, let us know.
It's Friday, we don't work tomorrow.
It's definitely not Friday, it's Thursday. Right now this sounded like super bomb. The homie Ray was pulling us.
That shit look crazy.
And we're like,
I never
let's
seen
go.
y'all do that.
Out of everyone, who has the coolest cars that you've worked with?
Me.
Out of everyone you've worked with, do you have the fastest car out of all of them?
Out of the phase boys, yeah.
Let's just say you work with Uzi,
Nah,
Scott.
he has like twin turbo R8s.
Oh, he does?
Yeah, he has twin turbo R8. And Trav with Bugatti, that shit comes with.
Oh, I mean, yeah, that's a whole different level. That's like a...
Have you guys ever driven a Bugatti?
Nah, yeah, it is, yeah, once.
I sold mine because too many people had them already.
First show you that price I got for the twin turbo?
This weekend, we're gonna go put the deposit down for our triple. We're gonna do the 1500 package. So stage 1
I'm
trans.
good with 1,000, Bob. 1,000 on R8 is gonna feel crazy.
Oh, that's just gonna
The
feel...
G-Force is gonna be.
Bro, I went to Dandy's warehouse yesterday because like I was really on the fence on doing the whole package.
Yeah.
And he just bought it for Pavante. I kid you not, I've been in fast cars for G80's been like really fast before.
That's what I'm saying. That's why we try to tell homies. Like,
It's different.
a 1,300 horsepower G80, even to a 1,000 horsepower R8, it's gonna feel weird.
It's different. It's really, really different.
Like, raw shit hits you hard.
That shit hits like a roller coaster, bro. Kid you not? Kid you not, Ray? I never felt a car like that in my life.
I could just imagine. That
It's
shit
just
don't
like,
feel real.
oh, like you just fucking feel the nasty ass roller coaster feeling, bro. It's just insane.
And why is the reason why 1,000 horsepower would be the 1,300? Like, why is the feeling different?
I think the R8 is a lot lighter. Low to the floor, the aerodynamic, the fact that the engine's in the back, everything
yeah.
contributes to the way it feels. It feels crazy.
Also, the house, that car is like sits low.
It's
R8,
planted to the ground.
How many cars do you have?
3. Supra, G82, and an R8.
What was your first car?
Supra. I got my license last year.
What's that for?
So I sold.
Had a
I did
banger
one
video? Everyone asking, where's it at? Where's it at?
Sold. Bro, that shit going stick shift up that hill. Nah. I had to learn to stick going up that hill. I was cool doing it on the roads, and then when it got to the hill part, I saw this is too much.
Made him go to the office.
Out of your 3 cars, which is your favorite?
It depends. Look-wise, I would go with the R8, but drive-wise, for sure, the G82.
Over the Supra?
Yeah. That G82 is just right away.
When purchasing a vehicle, do you look for performance or luxury?
All the ones now has just been straight. I go into it thinking like, what am I gonna do to it? I can't drive a car that's just stopped and shit gets boring. Like the Audi I like, but it's kind of boring.
Allegedly, what's the fastest you've ever gone before?
I'm not really the type of person that just steps on it and just goes straight. I like just do it great, like racing. That's I went on it probably like once.
Let's just say I've never been to New York. What's like the mandatory thing you have to do if you go to New York?
Like an all-male strip club.
If you like strip clubs, you gotta go to Starlets.
I like male, little people.
If you have to like go have dinner with like a shorty, what's like the nicest place right there?
Like it all depends what type of food you want.
Like a little steak, like some mastro vibe.
Like a catch or something like that.
Catch?
A little club.
Who do you manage?
A lot of content creators in LA, bro. I manage, you know, G&B. I manage Eddie and Carrot. Yeah, I manage THESEFOOS. I manage Blessed.
Really? And how'd you get into that?
So I grew up with Garik. We were known each other since middle school. And then
Yeah?
one day he's like, yo, Cash Money, you should be my manager. I think you'll be really good at this stuff. So I was like, okay, I'm down.
Through managing people, you're able to get, what is this, an M5 competition?
Yes, sir.
What have you done to your car?
Wrapped it black, put intakes in. Along the way, we added carbon in the grill. Air intakes probably will look sick. They came out pretty bad. Powder coated black the wheels, painted them, made this carbon, added side skirts. Obviously we had the carbon roof on the inside. We added a steering wheel. We got stars in the ceiling on the inside too. I had them color match the gull with the interior, carbon ceramics. I thought this would look badass. Spoiler, diffuser, exhaust, little tune, nothing crazy.
You popping out here in LA, you know Cash is your manager for sure.
Have you ever managed an OnlyFans content creator?
I haven't managed them directly. I've worked with them for sure, yeah.
Really? What's the craziest amount that you've ever seen an OnlyFans creator pull in?
I think 3 million.
In 1 month or a year?
They make money on that side, bro.
Is it hard to break into the OnlyFans industry?
I don't think it's hard if you're an attractive girl. If you know how to market yourself, it shouldn't be that hard. You see like half of the world doing it now, bro. I get why people do it because the amount of money women are making, and so it's so easy for them because men are so easy.
What makes more money? Is it when they do the messages on OnlyFans and they have to pay for the thing, or is it when they sell the subscription?
Messages, inboxes. The automated system, there's so much to it, you know, there's like a whole like process. From my experience, from what I know, again, I don't do OnlyFans management.
Yeah.
Because I'm in the space, I have connections, I know a lot of people. The inboxes make the most money. Bringing a 2020 M340i. It's a great turbo, code B39.
Basically, the way it works is right here. You just get the info from the car. Choose the code is B39 BMW. It's gonna give different bearings.
So it tells you how much you're supposed to put and everything?
Yeah. For example, I use a quart, 32 ounces. For example, if I choose 32 ounces, it takes 451.7 on the scale. I'm not mixing right now, it's just like a sample.
Yeah.
Every toner I wait on the scale, it goes down to 0. Every time it goes 0, I just go to next, and it's just gonna take me to the next one, next one, every time I zero it up. Basically, this is the info. Right here is a B39 code, and the color name is mineral gray.
Oh, so you guys sell cars?
Well, I'm in finance.
You make the money, huh? You're the one that was like, you sure you don't want this warranty?
Yeah.
I think you need it.
Do people need warranty?
Yeah, it's a good idea to have, especially with like these type of cars break down.
What is something that is an add-on that people get that's not necessarily like you don't need it?
Bumper to bumper.
That one comes in handy, like tire and wheel. I could do like a key replacement, things like that. Kind of like you could use it, but it's just kind of.
It's good for like people that are like not thinking of like modifying the cars and everything.
Yeah.
What car is theirs?
Oh, the YM4.
What happened to it?
There was like a
car got in the way.
car got in the way.
Yeah.
We fake insurance too, bro.
And how'd you realize that?
Went home. It was the night of. Was checking it out. And all this. You see, it's like Photoshop. I have it too. He like made it while he was telling me like, oh, let me find it.
Oh, that's quick hands for real.
My ass too. People wanna run it. I got the S1K at home too.
What's that?
BMW bike.
How fast does that go?
That shit goes crazy fast.
What's the fastest you've ever gone on it?
Right now, like 170.
170 on a motorcycle?
Stock, yeah.
Hey, those just tuned. Whoa,
I have the tune for it. So
You went 170?
Yeah.
What the like is going on in your head, bro? Like
At that point, you're just locked in, like
Really?
trying to stay on the road, you know? Because any little thing and you're fucking slipping out.
Like going that fast, does the air feel like? Does it feel crazy? Like,
Yeah, like you gotta be
Just the
like
pressure, like
straight down. Otherwise, that wind is gonna be fucking blowing you around everywhere. Like with a tune, I'm sure I can go 200.
what exactly do you do that allows you to get an M4 competition?
I sell cars.
Oh really? Where do you work at?
Hyundai.
A Hyundai dealership? You could get this? What's the most cars you've ever sold in 1 month?
I sold 18 like 2 months in a row. They have a good pay plan over there.
Did you read any books on salesmanship?
Yeah, just Arab. Have it in our blood. Low sell.
That's
Go to
ins-
dealers, there's always gonna be Arabs there.
Does everyone have like different commission amounts?
Different play plans wherever you go. Usually like the team will have the same pay plan. Obviously everyone has different abilities. So the guy that's selling like 5 cars is gonna make a lot less than the guy that's selling like 20. You could sell like 5 cars and have money inside of the deals and make the same amount as a guy with 20. Yeah, you could sell like one car, make like $1,000 off of it.
Do you think Car Salesman is gonna be around forever?
For now, I think so. I mean, they have like Carvana. You're always gonna have customers that walk in and don't really know what they're doing. So they kind of need someone there to help guide them, show them what car they want, what features they like, and things like that. Eventually, later on, it might just be you order it online, you know, you just pick up whatever.
Here's like this, your 50-50. You see how I already split for you? Right here, you just split it. You lift it right here. See it up, just attack it. Then right here, you just hit it. Just guide it to where you want it to go. That was good. This is east. And right there, it's just you to finish squeeging it. You heat it up evenly, and I'm not pulling, I'm just holding it. And like, then I just guide it. And that's it. Everything's glassed out, so you just start squeeging. And then look, right here, you might get speck here for the little wrinkle. Just tap it and then just finish glassing out that. So you see the wrinkles? Look how they go away when you put it. Remember, every wrinkle is like a triangle. Learn how to like split them. I'm not gonna go straight into it. I'm going like at an angle, so that I'm breaking down every.
How great of a teacher is Pablo?
Excellent. Learning in like 2 days, bro.
In 2 days, how much have you learned?
Wrapping this S-Class and nozzle tech, frozen matte, and teak bronze.
And you said that this is a very difficult material to wrap on?
It is. Nozzle tech, I think, is one of the hardest materials. But if you do it correctly and with the right technique, it's honestly pretty easy. I personally think it's easier than Adrian 3M, just because I took the class and I feel like it helped me out a lot. Some people say it's too hard, but it's just the way you install it. If you have no technique behind anything, like everything's gonna be hard.
And how did you even come to be where you're working and doing the rapping?
So you still rapping?
Yeah.
He's like, yeah.
You say you'll pay me in kisses.
I didn't say that.